Is the picture-in-picture PIP feature not working on your iPhone? This could be caused by software bugs, wrong settings, or app compatibility problems. Don't worry, this guide will help you fix it and get PIP working properly again. Let's get started. Solution 1. Ensure PIP is enabled. Open the Settings app. Tap General. Select Picture-in-Picture. Make sure the toggle for Start PIP automatically is turned on. Solution 2. Check app compatibility. PIP only works with supported apps like Safari, YouTube Premium, and Apple TV. Ensure the app you're using supports PIP. If unsure, try using PIP with Safari by playing a video and tapping the PIP icon. Solution 3. Update your iPhone. Open Settings, tap General, tap Software Update. If an update is available, download and install it. Solution 4. Reset all settings. Open Settings, tap General, scroll down and tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset. Then choose Reset all settings. Confirm when prompted. This will reset system settings but won't erase your data. That's how you fix the picture-in-picture mode issue on your iPhone. If this video helped, make sure to like it. Still having trouble? Drop a comment below and I'll reply as soon as I can. Thanks for watching.